dumating na pong si Sisi, yung aming kababayan, taga-baryo, taga-barangay po namin, yung ating Miss Ecotourism. Dito po kami nakabang. Si Sisi, ngayon po siya, oh. Sisi! Hello, hello, hello. Welcome home, Sisi. Ante! Yan po, dumating muna siya, umuwi po siya muna dito sa aming barangay Buga, Leon, Iloilo. Oh, oh. Hello! CSB. Ito yung mga kabarangay namin, ang aming mga barangay officials. Ito po yung mga barangay officials namin. Yan po. Ito naman yung taga-bayan. USWD ng bayan namin. Ayan. Nag-uli rin ang amon di dyan Alexi May kay Muso Brooks Miss Ecotourism 2025. Nagkaraban, karaban. Ayun. Sequential SB naman yung bayan namin. Yun po. Karaban talaga, dami, pati pulis, lahat. Going. Yan po. Sabihin natin mamaya kung ano ang nangyari. Ba't ganon? Kasi po si Alexi Brooks po ay talagang taga dito sa amin sa Buga, Leon, Iloilo. At yung kanang Lula Basing, panli ko Nanay Basing na sumakabilang buhay na po ay kadugo po talaga natin ng inyong lingkod Agritech Mix TV. Nasa si Lula Basing po ay middle name niya po kasi kay Camarista. Kami po kasi ay family Camarista. Kaya Sisi is most probably kung ititrace up yung family tree namin ay pamangkin po namin, niece namin, si Sisi. Kahit sa kaimuso niya, kasi yung mga kaimuso kasi dito sa Buga, Leon, Iloilo ay ka-family na namin sa aming father side. So both sides, even in my mother side, so talagang paryente talaga kadugo talaga namin. So nasa siguro dito sa Buga, dito sa amin sa barangay, siguro most probably mga ka-agree ay mga 70% ng tao dito may blood relation pa rin sa kanya. Kasi magkalapit lang talaga yung mga ng tao dito sa amin. Hindi malayo. Mostly mga kapamilya lang. Ayun, dito nga natin mamaya kung makapunta pa tayo ng plaza kasi may konting opening sa siguro doon. Yung sinaing ko doon, yung sinaing ni Agritech, baka masunog pa. Yun yung problema, yung sinaing ni Agritech ito. Yan. Yan o. Yan. So mula po dito yan, kanina sa dinaan na ni Sisi, yung dumaan ay papakita namin sa inyo kung saan ba yung lumang bahay nila dito, ni Nanay Basing. Ito po yung entrance ng barangay namin. At dito din sa entrance ng barangay namin na makikita mo ito. Ayan. Ayan. Punta na tayo ng highway. Entrance po ng barangay namin yun. Pero ito po ay highway part pa rin ng barangay namin. Dito po sa highway yung bahay nila. Yan na po ang bahay nila. Oops. Maraming ginadaan. Dito lang yan sa harap talaga nitong tubigan, yung water refilling station ng barangay namin, pang-inom. Yan po yung lumang bahay ni Nanay Basing. Dito po kasi lumaki si Alexi May. Ito yung kanilang bahay. Pero ngayon, ewan ko lang kung sino pa yung natira dyan. Pero yun po yung bahay ni Alexi May Brooks, ni Nanay Basing. Yan po. Punta kami ng Talipapa. Yun. Dito po nagsalita si Alexi May sa bayan namin, Town Plaza. Daming tao po. Pero parating na yung anak ko. Nagsundot kasi ako sa anak ko eh. Pops. Nagsasalita na siya ngayon, pero yung anak ko parating na rin. We'll see kung kaya. Daming tao dito, libo-libo.
And most of you, matan nyo nga, hindi mo na ako prohibig. Nakita ko tibingin. Kalakapit kami kang gina dito, kung hindi ko yun mapunggan. Nag-ibig naman ako to, luwa ko. Because I was still expecting nga ati dyan si Lola. Last year, my homecoming, she was here with me. So I made sure that when I joined Miss Iko, I let go of all the worry. I let go of all the negative stuff in my mind. I let go of everything and I release myself into the power of selflessness. And I think that the moment I become selfless, that the crown was given to me. I'll tell you about my journey during Miss Iko. It was both sadya and both hard at the same time. Sadya because of course I have my team with me who's very supportive. Ginamuhatay lang kami per miga, tinagawanan. It doesn't feel like work at all. But in the back of my mind, I would always think about Lola Basing, and that is sad. Even up until right now, most of you would admire the woman that I am. Mabal ka mo, grabe sa sisi, sa stage pa. But in the back of me, subaan niya po na ko kaway si Lola. I think this is more than just a homecoming to me. It's more of my give back to my grandma and to the people of Leon for everything that you've given towards me. And since Sabapaw na po ka-stage ng Miss Iko when I was in Egypt, the only thing I could think about is I can't give up because I am here now. Huwag ay natin magtitirang pikaw sa likod, liwat ka, makulbaan ka pa. Kaysa karako nga tahaw nga nagbulig ka nakin, nga nagbalabot akin niya. My only way of giving back to you all the support and the love that you've given to me is I bring home the crown. So nag-production number kami up until nag-top 5. Abi ko hindi ba ako makasilid, ginakulbaan man ako. Up until it was just me and Miss Indonesia left. Nagkakaptanay lang kami 5. Most of the time, I would think, akan rin dyan, madaag ako. But at that moment, I told myself, bisan sino na lang. And the next thing I know, Philippines was announced and I won. And that's when I realized that selflessness would really bring us further and far in life. As I always say, advancing. So, it is just a reminder for all of us, especially sa mga kabataan natin, from Managsisi, na bisan tingin ka mo naghalin, bisan ano kabudlay kang kabuhi. Bisan waay rin ka mo, kung may handle ka mo, may malabot ka mo sa kabuhi.
Basa.
What's your fruit?
Yun po, pabalik kita tayo doon kasi baka dumating yung anak ko talaga. Wala tayo doon sa terminal, anak ko. This is the Leon Town Plaza. Parang hindi siya plaza, park na po ito siya, park. Daming pumupunta dito bawat gabi. Kasi napagaganda po ng ambience dito. Sige po.
Wow,
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for all the lovely audience. And this time we will hand over the resolution from the Office of the Sangguniang Bayan Municipality. Municipality of Leon, to our dear Alexi Brooks. And after this, we will also be handing over the resolution coming from the Barangay Council of Barangay Buga. And this time, let me read the resolution number 2025-09.
Doc Atin, Kong Mike, and Mayor would always tell me, nga Alexi, halat lang ikaw sa tiyempo mo. And I waited. And the next thing I know, gintao ka na kan. But what people didn't understand, o wainda na balaan, it would lie, kag perti karaka nga challenges, ang i-overcome sa isa kataho para maging successful. So naghumakamin ako ligad sa city. I was so happy for the welcome. And today naman, naibiya ko kagina. Kinagapit kami sa Buga, kinagapit kami sa plaza, and all the people, halin sa Banwa, baka to sa Buga, everyone's familiar faces, nga halin pa lang sang gamay ako, asa tala dyan gyapon. So it filled my heart with hope and love, nga grabe ang pagpalangga ng Leon yan. Up until nga naglabas kami sa balay ni Lola, kagsang una ko maguli ako, si Lola dyan ang kapungko sa sala, gidlaw nga magwili rin si Lola, kaya nauli rin si Nini na. And for most of you, mataan nyo nga, hindi man ako prahibig, baka kita ko tibingit. Kaya naghapit kami kang gina dito, kag hindi ko ginapanggan, nagibi man ako ang luwa ko.
Was our municipal mayor, Honorable Marialina Cabana Holipas, to give the resolution to our queen.
And also may I request our Barangay Council of Barangay Buga to please prepare, for we will be handing over as well the resolution after this. So again, congratulations! And thank you so much, of course, for the support, no? Grabe ginang support ng mga LGU, of course, headed by the nanay of our municipality, Honorable Marialina Cabana Holipas. Thank you so much for being there sa journey ni Alexi. Barangay Council of Barangay Buga, may I request you all to please proceed here, headed by, of course, our Barangay Captain, Honorable Lawrence Alimungking. Please come over to hand over the resolution recognizing our queen for her exemplary performance. Again, may I request our Barangay Council to please be here on stage.